Hi everyone, it's Corrie, and today I'm going to show you how to make these glow-in-the-dark ghosts. So I'm going to be using Cricut craft board and glow-in-the-dark vinyl. I only have the iron on, but it will work fine. So if you pop into my profile on Cricut Design Space, you will be able to find ghosts by typing into the bar on the right hand side there. Just have a little scroll. I have quite a few Halloween images. Now what we're looking for is these images with the scissors underneath. These are for cut. The ones with the printer underneath are for print and cut, and they're things like this which people generally make into stickers. So I use this one here, and I'll pop them all into a project, and that will be in the description below, so it'll be much easier for you to find them all. Okay, so once you have the images into Design Space, you're going to click Make. And just a little tip here, sometimes it shows you them on two mats, but I know that will fit in there, definitely. So if you click these three dots at the top and then go Move Object and then click the mat you want to move it to, I mean, that fits perfectly. I don't know why Cricut does this. This one's going to be a bit more of a challenge. But again, just click those three dots, move object, move them across, do it again, move object, click it onto the mat you want to move it to. And yep, I'm going to need to do a little bit of a rejig here, but I reckon they'll fit okay. You might have to move them like this. That's why there's a little arrow. But sometimes that helps things to fit in place. I'm just going to wiggle them around a little bit. On the bottom left hand side here, you'll see there is a way of zooming in. It's currently at 75%. So when you think you have them in the right place, you can just zoom in. As you can see, I've got one slightly overlapping the other. There and here. We don't want that. The machine will cut pieces off. So you can just rejig it like this. And then once you're happy, you can click Continue. That's going to be fine. Once the machine has connected, it will ask for our material. I'm using Cricut craft board for the black piece. So I have Cricut craft board set as a favorite there on the right hand side. I use it a lot. So now is the time to load your material and let it do its thing. Once all of those pieces are cut, we're going to change the material. So we'll go back up to where it says craft board and click on there. And then we will have the option to change to the glow-in-the-dark vinyl. As I said, I only have the iron on, but it's going to work fine. Okay, so just select it, click on it, click Done. And now there's a new feature in Cricut Design Space where it automatically turns the mirror on when you select an iron-on vinyl. I just wanted to point that out because it's brand new. So you don't have to remember to click that button because I know lots of people always forget. Now I'm going to show you how to put all of the pieces together. Okay, so this is my craft board. I've used a light grip mat because it's brand new, and I also used painter's tape to hold the craft board in place. Sometimes I use a green mat. It just depends on how sticky things are. So now I'm going to weed the glow-in-the-dark vinyl and just pop them in place, match them up. Then I'm going to use the small heat press today, but I could use the larger one. It might have been quicker to do it that way. I just felt like I would have more control if I used the small one. So just placing it on the heat pad and using a piece of baking paper just to protect it. I went quite slowly. I know it doesn't look like it on the video. I went quite slowly and applied pressure on these, and I'm just going to peel them off now. So once this carrier sheet is peeled, they are complete and you can do what you like with them. They would make a nice banner, or maybe you could put them on sticks and put them in your garden or something like that. They would look really cool at night, and this is them glowing in the dark. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye!